we go.
Nice.
Michelle's gonna shove the whole piece of cake in her mouth. Let us see the cake first.
Okay.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Oh, Gavin. Carrie, did you press record?
Just go!
It says standby. Carrie, is this on video? It's supposed to be on video! No, it's recorded. Okay, now it is. Michelle is going to shove cake in her mouth. And her camera died. Oh my god! She can't do it. Let's zoom in on her mouth.
I know, right?
Look at that.
Yummy! Don't stare. Ew! It's like the potato, Michelle. Eat the potato.
Oh my god, I forgot about that. Eat the potato. Cream cheese.
I didn't get it. Wait.
Oh, Gavin. Advance, Michelle. Stop it. No. Naggles. You can't.
Oh! You just tried to eat my camera.
It's on her chin.
Oh, you jerk. Michelle, look at me.
Look at her
Michelle.
pants.
Oh my god, pull your pants up a little higher.
Miss Button. She didn't get to eat the whole thing. Oh, she's not.
Come on, Michelle, we're waiting. Or you could throw it up.
Come on. You can do it. Shove it.
This is taking over 2 minutes.
Quickly.
Alright, that's one half. Now stuff the other in.
Oh my god. Easy.
Alright, I'm getting in on it. Go.
My battery's low too. Go put.